Fitment. Fit for Road King, Street Glide, Ultra Classic, Electra Glide, Heritage Softail, Softail Deluxe, Softail Slim, Fatboy, Switchback, Ultra Limited, Tri, CVO, 1989 to 2019. Note: Switchback, Road King, Street Glide, Electra Glide and Ultra Limited needs ring to fix firmly. 2014 to 2019 Street Glide Special and Road King Special needs an H4 to H9 adapter. Package included. 2013 Touring CVO Ultra Classic Electra Glide FLHTC USE8 will need to modify wire harness for fog lights. Features: AlyoNed Headlight is with double lens, brighter than Singal Len headlight in the market. Much safer for night drving and will not glare the oncoming drivers. Specifications: 4000 LMS on high beam, 2600 LMS on low beam, 6000 K pure white light, IP67 waterproof rating, work temperature from -40 to 80, lifespan over 50,000 hours. Certifications: .SAE approved, E-Mark rating. Package included: 1x7 LED headlight, 2x4.5 LED fog lights, 1x headlight ring bracket, 1x wiring harness for headlight, 1x H4 to H9 wire adapter, 6x connectors. Top reviews from the United States. Out with the old, in with the new. Joe. Been running original lights on my 08 Road King. Wow, what a difference. Have to change out the entire headlight bracket, but everything plugged into place nicely. Also believe that people see me easier with the brighter light. Be safe and keep the two wheels down.